Good morning. Today we are going to build a very simple network. Create an animated image inspired by Andy Warhol's style. Okay, now let's start our project. First, we create a noise top. In the parameter comment section, we do the size 1920 times 1080. About the type, we choose complex 3D. The seed we change to 3213. You can experiment with the different numbers, depends on your image and the effect you want to create. Then I turn off the monotone because I want the first noise to be colorful. And in the translate section, go to Z. You can type ABS time dot seconds times 0.1. This also later you can change the number you prefer. Let me briefly explain what this expression means. ABS time dot seconds represents the amount of time TouchDesigner has been running measured in seconds. The value continuously increases by 1 every second. When we multiply it by 0.1, the translated Z value increases by 0.1 every second. This makes the noise move slowly and continuously through the Z-axis. Okay, then we make the copy of the noise. If you use Windows, you just press Ctrl+C followed by Ctrl+V. Or if you use Mac, press Command+C followed by Command+V. The second noise we want black and white, so we turn the monotone on. Now let's build our network. You can just simply follow my steps. Okay, now we build the network pipeline. First, bloom top. Then level top. Then composite top. Here you don't need to worry about the red X on the composite because composite need 2 output. Then we create another composite top. You connect noise 1, colorful 1, and noise 2 to the composite top. Make sure the noise 1 on the top and the noise 2 on the bottom. Then we make Displace top. Then another bloom top. So we put the bloom top to the second input of composite top. Now the composite top X, red X is disappeared. After bloom top, we connect RGB Key top. This makes the background black. Then Null top. That means we done, and Alt top. This is very simple network. Okay, now we add movie file in top. It's automatically bring the banana here from the default menu. So you connect the movie file into the second input of Displace. So now the Displace red X is gone. Take your time to adjust the parameters for each node. I usually spend a few hours exploring different settings. This is one of the most creative and enjoyable parts of working with TouchDesigner. Finally, let's make the network audio reactive. Simply add an audio file in chop, followed by an analyze chop, a math chop, and an audio device alt chop. Then connect them as shown on the screen. Okay, now go to the math chop. In the bottom right corner, click the small plus sign. Then drag the channel to the parameter you want to control. I use the mask chop to control the level top and the bloom top. Finally, select Export Chop. This allows the audio signal to drive these parameters automatically. As the music changes, the brightness and bloom intensity change in real time, making the animation react to the sound. Feel free to experiment by connecting the channel to different parameters. Each connection creates a different visual effect, so don't be afraid to explore and find your own style. If there's mistake happens, don't worry, just go to the top menu, click Edit, and then select Undo. Then you can try again. Okay, now let's try something even more fun. Go to the Analyze chop. There are many analysis methods to choose from, such as average, sum, RM power, first peak, and more. Try them one by one and observe how each one changes the animation. Each analysis method responds to the audio differently, creating unique visual effects. Take your time to experiment and discover the style you like the best. I usually spend over 1 hour on this part. Experimenting is one of the most enjoyable parts of the creative process, and is where I often discover the new ideas. Congratulations! You've now completed the entire network. The next step is to spend about 10 minutes experimenting with the nodes you've just built. To try a different image, simply click the movie file in top. On the right side of the file parameter, click the plus sign and choose another image or video. The final portrait image I use is from Adobe Stock. I also tested some files from TouchDesigner's default media library, including a starfish, jelly beans, flowers, and nature footage. Have fun experimenting and don't be afraid to explore your own ideas. Every time I change the image, I also adjust the parameters for each node. There are no fixed values of perfect settings. Every image is different, so each project requires its own adjustments. I've tested selfies, digital paintings, pastel paintings, and many other types of images. Even with a simple network pipeline like this, you can create hundreds of different TouchDesigner projects. That's what makes TouchDesigner so exciting. It's a long creative journey of experimentation, exploration, and discovery. Okie dokie. That's all for today. Have fun creating, and I see you next time.